Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to tackle a common Daikin AC issue, the C1 error code, which indicates a communication failure between the indoor and sub PCBs. I'll guide you step by step through the troubleshooting process, from initial reset and wiring checks to PCB testing and final solutions. Whether you are a technician or a DIY enthusiast, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to identify and fix the C1 error safely and efficiently. Let's get started. Step 1. Initial reset and inspection. When your Daikin AC displays a C1 error, the first step is always a simple reset. Begin by turning off the power supply completely and waiting for 2 to 3 minutes. This pause allows the system to discharge any temporary electrical glitches. Once restarted, many units may automatically clear the error. Even if the error persists, this step helps ensure that any transient faults aren't mistaken for more serious issues. Think of it as giving your AC a fresh start before diving deeper. Step 2. Wiring and connection check. The next step is to inspect the communication wiring connecting the indoor and sub PCBs. Carefully check for loose or reversed connections, as even a single misplaced wire can cause a C1 communication failure. Look for visible damage to the cables, such as fraying or cuttings, and make sure all terminals are tightly secured. Proper wiring ensures smooth communication between the PCBs, and correcting any issues here can often resolve the error without needing expensive repairs. Step 3. Connector and voltage check. After verifying the wiring, examine the PCB connectors closely. Look for signs of burns, corrosion, or any other physical damage that may interfere with communication signals. It's also crucial to measure the voltage supply to PCBs. Fluctuations or unstable voltage can cause the system to miscommunicate, leading to recurring C1 errors. Ensuring stable voltage and clean, undamaged connectors helps maintain reliable communication between the main and sub PCBs. Step 4. PCB and communication testing. If the error persists, the next step is to check the PCBs themselves. Inspect each board for dust, moisture, or any visible damage. Then, test the communication cables using a multimeter to check for continuity and ensure there are no short circuits. This step helps you determine whether the problem lies within the wiring or the PCBs. Proper testing at this stage can save time and prevent unnecessary replacements. Step 5. Final solution and summary. If all previous checks fail to resolve the C1 error, replacing the faulty PCB is usually the final solution. Start with the sub PCB, and if needed, replace the main PCB. Remember, the C1 error always points to a communication failure between the PCBs. By systematically checking the wiring, connectors, voltage, and PCBs, you can identify the root cause and restore your Daikin AC to proper working condition. Following this professional approach ensures a reliable, long-term fix.